Introduction to the waterfall model. Introduce the waterfall model as one of the earliest software development methodologies. Emphasize its step-by-step linear structure which moves in one direction through predefined phases. Note that requirements are gathered comprehensively at the beginning with the entire project relying on accurate planning from the start. Phase of the waterfall model. Requirement analysis, collecting and documenting all project requirements. System design, designing the architecture and planning software and hardware need. Implementation, coding, translating the design into code and developing the software. Testing, verifying that each component meet requirements. Checking for bug. Deployment, installing the system in a live environment and making it operational. Advantages of the waterfall model. Clear project structure. Each stage has defined task, making program easy to follow, easy to management, simple to assign tasks as phases are clearly outlined. Documentation is in depth. Complete documentation in each phase provides reference point for future stages. Ideal for short-term, well-defined projects. Work well for projects with stable requirements and little expected changes. Disadvantages of waterfall model. Lack of flexibility. If a phase's outcome requires revision, it's challenging to make changes. Potential for high cost. Errors discovered in later phase can be expensive to fix due to the sequential nature. Limited stakeholder involvement. User and client see the product only at the end, limiting interact interactive feedback. Not adaptable for complex changing projects, suited more for projects with stable unchanging requirements. Waterfall model versus agile model. Waterfall model pros and cons. Pros: structure less complex in managing short term projects. Cons: lacks flexibility, limited stakeholder engagement. In agile model, pros: adapts well to change, allow for continuous feedback. Cons: more complex to manage, requires frequent collaboration. Visual diagram comparing linear waterfall versus iterative agile workflow. Use case and applications. Ideal for projects with defined requirements. For example, include construction projects, embedded system and government process where requirements remain stable. Industries still using waterfall model. Construction construction, government, defense, healthcare and finance industries where regulations require strict adherence to project plan. Include specific examples such as banking system or ERP solution where the requirements are unlikely to change mid project. Conclusion and key takeaways. Summary: the waterfall model remains an effective approach for projects with clear objectives and fixed requirements. Key takeaway: waterfall is best suitable for projects with low unaccurate accu- uncertainty and high predictability, through less ideal for dynamic, fast evolving projects. Final note: the waterfall model provides a foundation on which newer methodologies like agile are based. Thank you.